The proverb "oil your own machine" is a succinct and insightful expression that conveys the idea of self-sufficiency and personal responsibility. It suggests that individuals should take care of their own needs and well-being, much like maintaining a machine through regular oiling or maintenance. This saying serves as a reminder of the importance of self-reliance and self-care in navigating life's challenges. At its core, this proverb emphasizes the principle of self-sufficiency. It conveys the notion that individuals should be proactive in addressing their own needs, whether they are physical, emotional, or financial. Like a machine that requires regular maintenance to function optimally, people must invest effort and attention in looking after themselves. In the realm of personal finance, Oil Your Own Machine encourages individuals to be responsible for their financial well-being. It advocates for financial literacy and the importance of saving, investing, and planning for the future. By taking ownership of one's financial health, individuals can better ensure their long-term stability and security. In personal relationships, this expression highlights the importance of self-care and emotional well-being. It encourages individuals to address their own emotional needs and not rely solely on others for their happiness or fulfillment. This self-reliance can lead to healthier, more balanced relationships. The phrase is also relevant in the context of physical health. Just as machines require proper care to function optimally, individuals should prioritize their health through regular exercise, a balanced diet, and medical checkups. Taking responsibility for one's health can prevent future issues and ensure a higher quality of life. In terms of mental and emotional well being, Oil Your Own Machine underscores the importance of self awareness and self care. It encourages individuals to practice mindfulness, seek therapy or counseling when needed, and engage in activities that promote mental health. By doing so, individuals can better cope with life's challenges and maintain emotional resilience. Moreover, in the context of personal growth and development, this expression advocates for taking initiative and being proactive in pursuing one's goals. Self improvement and skill development are essential components of personal growth, and individuals are encouraged to take the initiative in honoring their abilities and advancing their careers. While this proverb emphasizes self sufficiency, it does not discourage seeking help or support from others when necessary. Rather, it promotes the idea that individuals should not rely solely on external assistance and should actively engage in self care and self improvement. In conclusion, the proverb "oil your own machine" is a reminder of the importance of self sufficiency and personal responsibility in various aspects of life. It encourages individuals to be proactive in addressing their own needs, whether they relate to finances, relationships, health, or personal growth. By taking ownership of their own well being and self care, individuals can lead more balanced, fulfilling lives and be better equipped to face life's challenges. Thank you for being till the end of this video. Please subscribe the channel because your support is paramount for me.